se kuna no so mumienu ya omobeye se ni se mumienu ya eno so ibehu bebi adibisi
Abusuapanyin wa kan se na se kuna no mun take mu decision dia wo ya
David se kuna no ye dia se nya ye ni se kuna mana se ye se kuna mu ara me boa
na wo dan ye ni se kuna
oh na wo dan no na me ka se de we na wo dan no ko pimpem so no ye dumi anye bibia na wo dan the way ye nya ewufuo pebre wo mu no ena president so tukwan no na ye ntumi nhia ye wura no mesi ye me die o nso otumfo na ye ne dia
yeah
o dia se otumfo na ase tutu wono na ye ne dia
na se na wotu dan de ma dwena nkokuna ne so pa ye
de ni so mba kokon tokwa se ntokwa ba ende sai niema na ikase sai niema ne sa ntokwa na wo moko sisi no de na tie dada no sa na tie.
Yes, we give you the hottest and the latest gist. Mini Akasa gist. What? My name is Maureen Marshall, and you can call me Information Minister because concerning Namina Gabriel. So you watched the video, right? If you look at the way that Lumba's Abusuapanyin, Honorable Kofi is handling this whole funeral issues, is it good? Because I'm all for dragging, of course. Abusuapanyin interviews were tremutin. I can say one who are the interviews were tremutin. Watch a check where it's Nibiama, bloggers, maybe I can't. The day from 6th December 2025. So that number died 26th July 2025, and since then the drama and the controversies. Hey Jesus. Charlie, enyago drama no I can't drama we dey no Korean drama na be I can't drama Ghanaian one share eni na we be near dey bro. So when that number died a day or two after na Abusuapanyin ko interview what you say was so what that number mortuary keys mo fa le dey share no aside say Abusuapanyin can say na Abusuapanyin said he sent people to that Lumba's house to confirm the news whether that Lumba was dead or not, and when they got to the house he even wanted to speak to the wife Odoboni on phone, but Odoboni refused to talk to him on phone. And according to that Lumba's Abusuapanyin, the family don't know Odoboni, but they know Akosia Sewa, the lady who married that Lumba years ago on Abusuapanyin. First, I say to Abusuapanyin interview. So fast forward, that Lumba is dead. Although they knew who Emma, the first wife, Akosia said wants to free Germany, because she's a German citizen, and that Lumba too was a German citizen. And to that end also say, I broke on Abusuapanyin person, mention or any quadru, mention a Charles for Suya Media, and so Akasakasa ne doso. Right now, Akosia Sewa has sued Abusuapanyin. Abusuapanyin to one court. Abusuapanyin has sued Abusuapanyin and has filed a writ at the High Court, a writ at the High Court, demanding that High Court should declare her as the only person who is to perform the widowhood rites during that Lumba's funeral. And Akosia Sewa a filing writ at High Court say that Lumba no kwana waso yekuna cause no kwana da dire manga sa assembly and ono kwana yeyire ono kwana be widowhood right no ama Odoboni susa, and as some of Abusuapanyin can say they don't know Odoboni. It was very worrying that he granted an interview and he said that, and I think this issue wasn't come solving the back door. As a time we are not sending the media and so I can consult for comment section no moko Team Odoboni, Team Akosia, team where they both teams to score, because what do I need to call one know Abusia for honestly. If you try to support one person or the other, they are not your family members. In social media, feeling that number feeling as another social media may be a KB. It will show me that when you go to TikTok, people intentionally do live for that number. Over 15 minutes, so we are trying to and support it. Hey, send that number national assets. That Lumba MC or national assets. So she filed for a writ at the High Court. So one kwana be widowhood rights ni dem. And Abusuapanyin granted an interview again. Hey, Kofusu, we feel it. Gang. So Abusuapanyin granted an interview again that Kumano Ekobase omuni enu be ya fine. Say obase ba ko na be kuna no so fine. And that's the video we played in the beginning. Me person spice me better more appetite for concern aye ba be no cause I was see your question what you say. Good. Now aside that no ya said that the Lumba final funeral right date, right? 6th December 2025. Ya said date near you. I love how if you show calls that Lumba's Abusuapanyin your friend funeral. On this year. But you see if you before in Kadam Lumba, he will be able to explain everything. That oh, this my wife, we divorced, this, everything without any problems. But when you're doing the if you be funky, that will be the church and won't need media, social media for me. So Akosia Sewa and children, only Mano, Omo FC, they have filed an injunction against funeral plans and they are citing lack of consultation. So Abusuapanyin plan so you be a year 6th December you be say you be high car you the funeral be enfa play you the be fast as so am obi e say dear on e ba ye kosie no. Akosia Sewa and children are saying that they were not consulted. No one told them anything. They were not no one asked of their opinion, nothing. The money and say I should date near the identity no. Almost some yes say you chia court bill. Your court na your an injunction against the funeral plans. No go say hey, so I say yes I didn't say ye name maso the funeral some tomorrow. Me na media. Gang. Everyone go to me na media. So that issue that came out I could say one I file injunction. Anna yeah, bloggers, you say they move around a lot. They went to interview Abusuapanyin Kofi again. And when they went there, Abusuapanyin said, I repeat, Abusuapanyin guy. This year, and he has the right to decide when they are going to have the funeral, what happens during the funeral. In fact, Abusuapanyin, a young singer now, so it's not going to go. So you can't tell Abusuapanyin what to do. On say Medin Kaka say Abusuapanyin ko interview say omu modoboni any aba down say Akosia say one so see Abusuapanyin and on Sunday asam court say high court should rule that she's the only person who can do the widowhood right, perform the widowhood right. Now they've made funeral plans now my no Akosia say one side omu court an injunction that Charlie they didn't consult me you be sending nothing. All I just got to know of was that the date for the funeral has been set. Now, Abusuapanyin has granted an interview again with Judy, Abusuapanyin too. So, Abusuapanyin granted an interview again, and this time it was about Odoboni. It was about Odoboni because he said, no, Abusuapanyin no. Omu said that Lumba awari Odoboni, and I say, onwaring. And Abusuapanyin in investigation, Abusuapanyin say Obaye no. Everything has confirmed that Lumba is married to Odoboni. Nature say, Omu chema, omu ni na be widowhood writing. Omu na be widowhood writing. Ude meba. Omu widowhood writing. Na some fufra sanso abaso ne say that Lumba lawyers are challenge Akosia Sewa. I'm saying that Lumba lawyers are challenging Akosia Sewa because they are winning Akosia Sewa no nedaso Akosia Sewa ni. If you don't know Akosia Sewa, this is Akosia Sewa. And I'm more Odoboni so Odoboni ni. I'm not sure that the Lumba are too much. I say I'm not sure white. Or there, Lambo seat. So that Lumba's lawyers are also challenging. They are challenging Akosia Sewa, Baba Jamal and associates, legal consultants, solicitors, and advocates. Omuncha Sema Omo can say. Dear Council, response to the complaints of Akosia Sewa Fosu on matters relating to the late Charles Kojo Fosu, aka Daddy Lumba DL. Now, number one, our instructions are that your client, Akosia Sewa Fosu of Germany, refused to relocate with her then husband, Daddy Lumba, to Ghana for medical help when the latter was seriously ill some 15 years ago. 15 years ago, not just say 2010 assembly, okay. 15, because we are in 2015. 15 years ago, and therefore deserted him in his difficult time of need. And lawyer number one. In the lawyers number one, as ma, Daddy Lumba lawyers can say 15 years ago, Daddy Lumba yare. And when you're not just over Ghana, about the son who I have, the son who I have. And over no summit me door. Akosia sewa, yemi na yon kwani yemi Ghana, akosia sita. Me no. So according to the lawyers, they are saying that's the instructions they had. That Akosia Sewa neglected that Lumba in his time of need. And number two, your client on 4th February 2018 wrote to the late Dad Lumba expressing her intentions to initiate divorce proceedings against him, raising many unfounded allegations which the late Dad Lumba denied. Now it's 4th February 2018. I said, okay, that's like 7 years ago. Thank you. 7 years ago, no, and I could say a letter by all that the made gyro made divorce. So then, and she even added allegations with that the matters are all your air and power. The mini girl, I said, the more English house. No, he borrowed my newspaper. So yeah, Daddy Lumba denied the allegations. Say, I could say a letter no answer why. Fast forward 27th February 2018. 27th February 2018. The then lawyers for the late Daddy Lumba responded to the letter and called the bluff of your client to proceed with her threats. So, Charlie, if it's divorce that you want, start the proceedings. No divorce, Daddy. Because they stated here, lawyers na make lawyers make to proceed with her threats to initiate divorce proceedings since he had moved on with his life after the desertion. Into that Lumba, so moving on. After say, as I may see 15 years ago, they also let Ghana because he's not well. And Akosia Sewa was also like, Charlie, me the Germany, I'll continue staying in Germany. Now, the last part of this letter coming from Daddy Lumba's lawyers. We wish to state that your client has already presented traditional drinks to the family of the late Daddy Lumba. And well, exactly. Me I will say so we were traditionally your jensa. So me say the old sabre and just our enemy people you we are dissolving it. So the lawyers are saying that traditional drinks to the family. Like Akosia Sewa brought the traditional drinks to the family of the late Daddy Lumba to signify the dissolution of the marriage which the late Daddy Lumba acknowledged. Not just Daddy due to Obiniyem. Manti Obiniyem. Yes, so the lawyers are shaking tables. Abusuapanyin kase. And after Abusuapanyin was son, Mr. Mulefi, Odoboni. And aside, say Odoboni, Daddy Lumba wa and after so no. Akosia Sewa the only ano the mokoko to ano the mokoko na Daddy Lumba lawyers baby. Anyway, and was assembly in India and they have also come out with a press release to show that Charlie, you had issues with Daddy Lumba, you even brought drinks. After the Abusuapanyin be confirms Akosia Sewa the drinks by what they say confirm the Abusuapanyin so. Cause Abusuapanyin 2 days after that Lumba we are now call granting interview and I say Odoboni. Fast forward, also why your investigation, and you've got to know that Odoboni was truly married to Daddy Lumba. You've come out another interview. You are confusing people. It's like he's contradicting himself. MFA, Akosia Sewa now ujina so she has the right to perform the widowhood rights and all that. Now you are saying Akosia Sewa brought drinks. Brought the drinks back, signifying the dissolution of the marriage. Not just on that one. In the time of Abusuapanyin granting interview, Oka say, Yenim Odoboni, Akosia Sewa Yenim now if you say Brown son. I think they use Schnapp and other alcoholic beverages to signify that. Abusuapanyin if you say Jenisa. Akosia Sewa had the name Sabreno. Enna Obameka say, only the only wife they recognize, they don't know the other one and all that. But Adriana Akosia said one so the court very serious that she wants to be the only one to perform the widowhood right. And we say also then another can say Odeboni was also, married to Daddy Lumba. So that means widowhood rights, collabo. You have to do collabo. Last weekend something happened. Weekend assembly scene here very, very simple, and people are talking that it looks like that Lumba and Estina Fosu, she has picked their side already. I'm saying she has picked the side already because 1 week no year in August no you say kroba in the camp or chia that Lumba first wife Akosia Sewa no wetchem on chia Odebo maybe. So people are talking, people are saying it looks like chairwoman of her side. And yesterday I received something, but the press release was dated 10th October 2025, which was last week Friday and Monday. Good. Statements from the family of the late Charles Kojofosu, aka Daddy Lumba, and it has been issued by Mrs. Akosia Sewa Fosu, into brackets widow, and Miss Ernestina Fosu, elder sister of Daddy Lumba. Now more release my showing each other in Yanisa, but me summarize. I want all of you to understand what's going on here. Family response to misleading public statement. So the misleading public statement they are talking about, they said it came from Mr. Collins Abusuapanyin, who is also a former member of parliament. Yes, Mr. Collins Abusuapanyin, who is also a former member of parliament. And they are saying that it looks like Mr. Amankwa Okan Assembly or Peace FM. Assembly Okan the Peace FM, no, he was confusing ordinance marriage with customary marriage. As for the fact that confusing for necessary for say, oh, wait me with the good right, wait me. I say, almost say, Mr. Charlie, you are confusing people, and they are disappointed because it's coming from a former lawmaker. Obi minimum mamudie. In a sense, what's not really so confusing for us. So, I say, they are just trying to tell him that they are disappointed, and the remarks he made are misleading to the public. Now let's go down there. Clarification on marital and legal matters. Let's say, Akosia Sewa, and that Lumba and Estina Fosu, they are clarifying marital and legal issues. So we wish to remind the public and Mr. Collins Abusuapanyin in particular that Mr.
There's a mebusa na mehunu. So mebusa ya mehunu mo. Yehu sampa. Akoya na ho ade.
Okay.
Nti akoya na ho ade kura na still mehu mampanyi na menkọ ahemfie ene mpanyimfo nkasa akra. Mitumi fa metudwa.
Okay.
Because mampanyi ubehunu obetumi asana de se bia sa time my program bi menya ho anase. Enti menkasa. Ti na meka cha se me call nure ya enure edue. A me call ya me de ato nanim a. Yehu se data e pese ye no. Bibia ma hu. Enam de abetudwa. Enti mentumi hu Ghana fo. Se me ka se me kọ hwehwemu na menya hwehwemu wihe. Eno ne yeso matem didiem. Eni edidi matem. Nanso so Nyankopon ene nananom nyina ehwe yen ehu de ye ka. Se ye no kure na ye twa nkontompo. Yakwaji ska. Wodehye ukwaji ska. Awo bi ono waye. Ukwaji ska na waye dai.
Oh, chese nwanwa. Nsesi a wagye atum se odobroni oba warfo no. Na chese hwan na sesi oyi kuna.
When it comes to kuna na na meka no. Sesi a yehu se waye ne ho ade ne de. Se ummienu nyina na se oyi kuna.
Okay.
Person de na minim. Enam ka se me ko hwehwe. Enti se media for na ayie ne ye omodia na efunu no da ho na ye omodia na Kojofosu ye omodia wo ma no ode omso omdo omedi atem omonya niye ye di nyame ne nananom ma wo omo nkoso na ye de se ye ka no kora kopem se ye bewu
Yenya ne tie se ye maami Akosia Sewa de injunction bi atu bi so eno nso clear wo kakra ma ye etesen.
Se obi ka se ode injunction ato ade so a se injunction ho na de to so
Court.
na nko court a ye de injunction ato wi
Debe.
Nti me de enim injunction bia, yɛmfa injunction bia nto obi a.
Oh, okay.
Eh.
Na sese nso mmaa no ne abusua no nyinaa wɔmagye pene atom sɛ sese yie no wɔn nyinaa bɛtena ase ayɛ ama basabasa yi bi ansi akyire.
Yɛda wase. Ɛnura nko ara na mekɔ. Ɛna ɛnura koraa metu firi hɔ bɛduru ha no mahomakye. Anɔpa yi a masɔre yi ɛna waba yi. Sɛ ɛba no saa a, afei na mbɛpim m'akyi. Na mafrɛ abusua no nyinaa. Na mato me nsa nso afrɛ wɔn mo. Na ɛno deɛ wɔn nso wɔn te ne mframa mu. Maka akyerɛ wɔn sɛ sei ne sei ne sei. Na yɛ mmerewa na ɛwɔ fie no. Akyerɛ yɛn nkunayɛ ne nneɛma sɛ esi yɛ no. Na wɔn mma nso yɛde ato wɔn anim. Sɛ kuna no deɛ wɔn mmienu na ɛbɛyɛ.
Okay.
Ɛno deɛ ɛnyɛ te sɛ first na mɛ sɛ manka yɛsɛ makɔgye bribe nti na deɛ. Sɛ sɛ deɛ abusua panyin mi anam teɛ. Ofi o nso bu ayɛ mi anam teɛ. Mɛ nim ne nua ɔfa yaw. Nyɛ ɔfa yaw na ɛka sɛ o. Nti mo mu kufa nkogu no. Ni a me ni abusua panyin. Mɛka ne tɛn sɛ yɛahwehwɛ mu. Wa na ho adeɛ. Adansefo wɔ hɔ. Sɛ wɔn nte ase a ɛduru a wɔmpa ebetumi ade adansefoɔ no nɔmba ama wɔn. Na wɔn wɔ asɛm a